We got one of the mommy's favorite toys, the ladybug, out. And these guys all think it's pretty cool. That's green's done. He ain't gonna fight for it anymore. He ain't gonna fight for it anymore. Out comes red. Ooh. Battling it out before the... And the winner is... Ding ding ding, yellow. Oh no, she's going for the ladybug again. Puppy huddle. Who's got it now? They're on top of black. She's gonna take it. We got black, we got red, we got yellow. It's out of control. I'm gonna take it over here and into the box.